Jack and Pip's musical camping adventure. One bright morning at the Giggle Tree, Jack, wearing his favorite yellow t-shirt and blue shorts, felt a surge of excitement. His friend Pip chattered eagerly beside him. "Pip," Jack began, "I've heard that the Melody Mountains are even more magical at night. Let's go camping there." Pip's eyes sparkled with anticipation. That sounds like an adventure. They packed their essentials: a cozy tent, tasty snacks, and Jack's trusty laughing lantern, which glowed softly, ready to capture any giggles along the way. As they hiked up the Melody Mountains, the path beneath their feet played a delightful tune with each step. The trees swayed rhythmically, and the birds sang harmoniously, creating a symphony of nature. Upon reaching a perfect camping spot, Jack and Pip set up their tent under a canopy of twinkling stars. The air was filled with a gentle melody, as if the mountains themselves were singing a lullaby. As night deepened, a soft, enchanting hum enveloped them. Jack noticed that the laughing lantern's light flickered in sync with the melody. "Pip, do you think the mountains are trying to communicate with us?" Jack wondered aloud. Pip tilted his head, listening intently. "Maybe they need our help." Determined to assist, Jack and Pip followed the melodic sounds deeper into the forest. They discovered a clearing where the ancient melody tree stood, its branches drooping and its song faint. "The melody tree must be losing its song," Jack said softly. Pip nodded. "Perhaps it needs laughter to restore its melody." Jack raised the laughing lantern and began sharing his funniest stories. Pip added his own antics, performing playful somersaults and chittering jokes. As their laughter filled the air, the laughing lantern captured the joyous sounds and released them towards the melody tree. Gradually, the tree's branches lifted, and its song grew stronger, harmonizing with the laughter. The entire forest seemed to come alive, with flowers blooming and animals joining in the jubilant chorus. "We did it, Pip," Jack exclaimed. Pip twirled happily. Laughter truly is magical. As the night wore on, Jack and Pip returned to their tent, the Melody Mountains now resonating with a renewed, vibrant song. They snuggled into their sleeping bags, the laughing lantern casting a warm glow, and drifted into a peaceful sleep, dreaming of the harmonious world they had helped restore. This adventure reminded them that joy and laughter have the power to heal and bring harmony to the world. Come back again for more adventures with Jack and Pip. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.